It has been an absolutely packed week in AI. We're not just talking about 1 or 2 updates. We saw a flood of new models from the biggest labs on the planet. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Let's break down everything you need to know, starting with Anthropic. First up, Anthropic quietly dropped Claude Sonnet 4.6. If you use the free version of Claude, this actually matters to you because this model is now the default. And the headline here is simple. Sonnet is now performing almost identically to Anthropic's most expensive model, Opus. We're seeing massive improvements in coding and computer use. It scored 79.6% on the SWE bench coding test, just a hair below Opus. For developers using the API, this is huge. You get near Opus intelligence at a fraction of the cost, plus a million token context window. But honestly, the coolest demo wasn't the model itself. Anthropic showed off a collaboration with Figma. You can now take live production code, send it directly into Figma to edit the design, and then send it back to the code base. It's a seamless workflow that feels like actual magic. Next up, Google. They didn't release one model this week, they released 3. First is Gemini 3.1 Pro. This is a serious upgrade in technical areas. It's now state of the art on the Arc AGI2 benchmark for abstract reasoning, and it dominates in scientific knowledge. But the fun demo? Animated SVGs. You can ask it to create something like a wolf playing basketball, and it writes code that generates smooth, gradient-filled animations. It's a vibe coder's dream. Next, Google finally released Lyria inside the Gemini app. This is their answer to Suno. You just hit the create music button and prompt a 30-second song. I asked for an upbeat dubstep song about baseball, and it delivered a fully produced track with vocals. It's rolling out in the US, and it's free. Finally, there is Pomelliy in Google Labs. This is a game changer for e-commerce. So like you upload a photo of a product and it generates professional studio quality marketing photos in under a minute. It removes the background, places your item in context like on a kitchen counter, and makes it look like $1,000,000. Now for the rest of the news. Elon Musk's xAI launched Grok 4.2, but with a twist. It uses 4 different agents behind the scenes. They fact check each other and come to a consensus before answering. It's a multi-agent system built right into the chat. The biggest controversy this week involves Vidu 2.0 from ByteDance. Hollywood is pushing back. The Screen Actors Guild and Disney released statements because users were generating videos of iconic characters without consent. ByteDance says they are adding safeguards. And finally, Meta was granted a patent for an AI that simulates a deceased user's account, continuing to post after they're gone. On a lighter note, Unitree Robotics showed their humanoid robots performing a kung fu routine with nunchucks in perfect unison. That's all for this week. For more AI news and insights, visit deeptext.net. Thanks for watching.